I look at cooking in a more kind of molecular kind of way.
This is molecular.
My name is Gemma Lewis. I'm doing lamb's fry on a bed of kidneys, bacon and mushroom with fig and red wine reduction and beetroot and potato rosti. It's really, really hot. Liver is quite an unusual thing to do, and so hopefully they enjoy it.
This is intriguing to me, thinking that you're looking at offal, that you're doing a dish like this. Are you from a farming background?
I am, yeah.
So you grew up eating offal?
Yes, I did, yeah.
Up here.
I'll tell you. What do you think? When I grew up as a kid, it was a difficult one for me, lamb's fry. But that's really good. Probably a little fraction bit overcooked, but all those components together are really tasty.
We just don't get served food like this often enough, do we?
I think it's just amazing.
Yeah.
Well
You get an apron. Easy.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come around.
Come on over here. Thoroughly deserved, my dear.
Well done.
Josh.
Nice work.
Well done, well
Cheers.
done.
It was a really intense cooking session, so I'm glad it's over and I'm so glad I'm through. I'll be able to sleep tonight.
Nothing better than melting cheese in a pie.
That will be good enough.
The best.
I have heightened sensitivity with anything kinesthetic, which is why food, it just embraces all your senses.
Okay, Heidi, here it is.
Your body's a temple,
That goes on there.
and it's you know, how you function cognitively, physically,
Come on, kick out.
mentally.
It's getting hot in here.
I've smoked a goat that Dad carted off the hill, and he did the messy bit.
Helen, is your goat called Heidi?
Yes. We've spent some time together. 3 hours smoking together.
I'm creative in the kitchen. What I put it last time, it was different this time. It'll be different next time.
Oh my God, that's so good.
I'm gonna cut the goat into medallions and put it on a gluten-free pizza. So we've like gluten-free and wild game. We're not doing enough of that well in this country. That's my big message.
Goat pizza. Have you ever had a goat pizza before?
It's a new one for me, Josh.
I've got to say, it doesn't look great. God, I really don't know where to start on this one. It smells good, but the goat is a little bit tough. The peppers, you know, I don't really like. I need something a little bit more from you.
It's just not good enough.
Well, we're gonna eat it.
Good on you, and you enjoy it.
Thank you.
So is this minced meat in here, or is it sausage meat
it's
that's been
sausage
minced
meat.
up? The pastry that you made for the top, a little bit dark on the base and then a little bit raw on the inside.
Unfortunately, it's going to be a no from me.
A little bit bland, I think. For me, I'm afraid it's a no.
Yeah, it's brutal.
It is tough, isn't it? But if it's not quite there, it's not quite there, and it's not fair on the others. That's all.
I look at cooking in a more kind of molecular kind of way.
This is molecular. This is just bloody good, you know?
Keep that up, I might have a job for you in my
Thank you.
Enough chatter, mate. I am
Mate,
starving.
I'm about to have a third, actually.
I'm Revo. I'm originally from India, but I live in Penway. And MasterChef is something that I think if you want to be the best, you got to learn from the best. This is curry chicken laksa, Malaysian style.
I was in Malaysia about 10 days ago. Is that going to work in your favour or not?
I hope it works.
Thanks, Robo.
Thank you.
Ravo, what's the dream for you?
the dream for me to have a cooking show because as a registered nurse, I would like to help out low-income earner to be able to cook nutritional food.
All right, thank you.
For some reason, I think you've got a lot more to offer. So I'm going to give you a yes from me anyway. I'll start the ball rolling.
So how many times did you taste that laksa during the cooking process?
6 or 7 times, yes.
Yep. What do you think?
For me, it's great. It's perfect.
Perfect. I think it needs more lime, which the lime's there to put in it, so that's optional, really, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
A little bit more salt.
Yeah.
It is delicious, and I would eat more of it, and based on that, I'll give you a yes.
Oh, great.
I found it a bit unbalanced myself. I love layers in a laksa. I'm still tasting it now, though, so I think there is definitely something there. I'm going to give you a yes.
Yes! There you go, son.
I am Shannon and I'm from Christchurch. I am doing a steak dish with chips.
I'm extremely nervous. Oh, but it's so exciting. I don't think you realise how excited I am. An apron would be absolutely amazing. I want one so bad and I am definitely going to get one.
Oh my God. Hello.
Shannon, how are you?
So excited.
Now tell me, if we could wave a wand
Yeah.
10 years from now, what's Shannon doing?
Owning her own restaurant.
What sort of restaurant?
Real retro, like funky, good food, like, ooh, you know.
Do you think you got the energy to run a restaurant?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you got the
I'm
energy.
like the boss at the fish and chip shop. I'm not gonna lie.
I think you've nailed the steak. I think the chips are extraordinary. It all comes together very, very well.
My God, you're out of control.
I just can't believe I'm like literally standing here doing this right now.
You put yourself forward, didn't you?
I had to do it. I have to do this. There's a lot at stake here.
Oh, I like that. I like that.
It had to be
Shannon,
done. Yep.
what else have you got?
Okay, melon ball beetroot roasted, horseradish cream fresh sorbet. My head goes crazy on recipes.
You've picked a hard dish, and you've done really well.
Okay, thank you so
You
much.
should be pleased.
Steak and chips, that's all it is, but it's a perfectly cooked steak.
Thank
it's
you.
some of the best chips I've ever eaten. It's a big yes from me, Shannon.
Shannon, love your energy, love the dish. Big tick.
So it's down to me. What I really love is, I really love the passion. And I really love that energy is just ridiculous, uncontrollable. And I love that. Come and get an apron.
Oh my God!
There you go. There you go, there you go.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Do you want to hug it out?
No, she wants to. Look at her. She's just got to be great. It's infectious. I mean, if some of that rubs off on the other contestants, it's a really good thing.
Most amazing thing of my life. Seriously, I'm not even joking.
Anyone want chips?
Come on, I'm in.